ऑल दी प्रीवियस लास्ट टाइम एग्जाम में पूछा गया है न्यूमेरिकल बीम के ऊपर और बहुत इजी था. सो हियर जस्ट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दी UDL into point load and support reactions into the reactions. Okay, so our first step is draw free body diagram. Draw free body diagram. Okay, तो यही डायग्राम हमें एज इट इज ड्रॉ करनी है. तो सपोर्ट एट ए इज हिंज, सपोर्ट एट ए इज हिंज. तो यहाँ पर दो रिएक्शंस आएंगे, वन इज वर्टिकल अनदर वन इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, AX and AY. Okay, and at B roller support, so only one reactions, that is RB. Okay, now this 50 Newton is acting at a distance of 2 meter from A. Okay, तो ये जो भी distance है, this is what 2 meter, this distance is again 2 meter. Okay, and this is the total distance is 4 meter, but here this UDL, you have to convert UDL into point load. Okay, UDL into point load 28, तो कहाँ पर एक्ट होगा? at center of 4 meter, that is 2 meter from B. Okay, 2 meter from this side or this side. Okay, and वो कितना आने वाला है आपका? 20 into 4, that is equal to what? 80 kilonewton. Okay, तो ये हो गई आपकी फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. Okay, now step number 2 is reaction calculation. Step number 2 is reaction calculation. इसमें आपको जितने भी अननोन रिएक्शन है वो सब कैलकुलेट करनी है. ओके, तो AX, AY एंड RB इतना ही आपको फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज समेशन ऑफ f of x इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? ओनली AX is horizontal component of force present in the diagram, so AX is equal to 0. Step number 2 is summation of vertical forces equal to 0. vertical forces कौन कौन से? AY upward है तो positive, AY is upward positive, 50 downward है minus 50, again 80 is moving downward so minus 80, RB is moving upward so plus RB equal to 0. तो यहाँ पर इक्वेशन क्या आएगा आपका? AY plus RB is equal to 130. So this will be what? Equation 1. So step number 3 is moment at point A equal to 0. Okay, तो ये 50 clockwise moment create कर रहा है, so it is positive. So 50 into 2. Again this 80 kilonewton is moving in clockwise. Distance for 80 kilonewton is 2 plus 2 plus 2. ये सेंटर पर एक्ट हो रहा है तो इतना आएगा. So plus 80 into 6 and the RB is moving anti-clockwise direction. So minus RB into distance will be our total, that is 8 equal to 0. Okay, so this is 100 plus 480 minus 8 RB equal to 0. So minus 8 RB that side becomes plus 8 RB. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या आएगा फिर? RB is equal to 100 plus 480, that is 580 divided by 8. Okay, and that value is 72.5 kilonewton. This is the value of RB. Okay, put this RB into equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1 you will get AY is equal to 130 minus 130 minus RB, 130 minus RB, RB is 72.5, that is nothing but what? 57.5. Okay, that value is your what? 57.5 kilonewton. Okay, that will be the AY. Okay, इतना आएगा. Thank you.